Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the peony. I have the flat synthetic brush number 16. Load up one edge of the brush with the dark blue color and other edge with the dark red color. Blend these colors on the palette. And we will paint the big petals for our peony like this. And a little bit inside. And now we'll paint some leaves. I will use the same flat brush number 16. Load up one edge of the brush with the light blue color and other edge with the dark blue color. Blend these colors on the palette. Let's paint some leaves like this. And maybe a little bit here. You can use the bigger brush for this. Now we can take the smaller brush. I have the flat brush number 10. You can use the flat brush number 8 or 6. Load up one edge of the brush with the dark red color and other edge with the light red color. Blend these colors on the palette and we can paint the center of the peony like this. And paint the small leaves around the small petals and paint the small petals around the center. you can make some strokes like this. Maybe a little bit short. Strokes like this. And now let's paint the center of the flower. I take the small brush number 6, load up one edge of the brush with the yellow color and other edge with the dark brown color. Blend these colors on the palette. And let's paint short strokes inside like this. Let's take the light blue color and the white on the small brush number 6. Blend these colors on the palette. And we will paint some details. We can take the small brush number 1. We will outline some leaves. let's take the round brush and the light green color. We will paint the background. Save some dark space between the background and the flower and leaves. Here is our flower. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.